Alright, this is a Hastings driving video. Our old hometown. Starting off at the Cub Food parking lot, and I'll hit some of the spots. I'll add some commentary along the way too about what roads we're at and what we might be seeing. Here we go. Coming up past the Culvers, coming up to General Sieben, where they're building the new Fleet Farm. You can see the building's been painted. They got the orange roof, the gray walls. They tell me it's opening in September. Today is July 21st, something like that. Today will go up to 15th before coming back. Got the windows rolled down a bit. Hopefully we're picking up the right amount of road noise. Ahead is St. Elizabeth's, and here's 15th. We're about to cross onto the newly surfaced part of 15. They were working on that last year. It's only July, but we're seeing a lot of political signs out. I guess the primary is about a month away. Like we're coming up on Pleasant. Yeah, this would be 15th and Pleasant. Alright. This is definitely resurfaced here. This used to be like a trampoline ride. Now it's smooth. Very nice. Alright, coming up on Westview, we'll hang a left on Westview. And here's 14th. We'll make a right here. And here is our old house. stepping out a bit. I recognize some of the old weeds. They're doing great. Our old hosses are there too. Very cool. Try to pop the camera back in here. I think that angle's still good. Yeah. All right. Now we're coming down the bend here. We're a little crooked. Let me try this again. That's better. All right. Heading down the racetrack corkscrew bend here. Sometimes people really open up their engines coming up this hill, and it gets a little loud. I think we'll take Pine. We'll take Pine across 55, and if I'm planning the route okay, I think that means we'll get to see the really greenhouse. Looks like things have been in a bit of a drought again here this year. Sort of like last summer. Everything's a little crunchy. The grass, I mean. Alright, we're on Pine here. It's a two-way. Just gotta wait a bit. Alright. Up here on the right is going to be where the Frank Lloyd Wright building is, the Turtle building. Pine and 55. Let's see if I can't get a shot of it if we slow down. There is the Turtle building. Right, continuing on. That crunching sound is the phone holder. If Owen were here, he would know exactly which way to turn to find the really greenhouse. I think I need to go ahead and to the right. Oh wow, the mansion is still in a state of disrepair. This thing burnt down about 4 years ago around Halloween due to some furnace space heating issue or something. It was a space heater issue when the furnace went out. Okay, I think I need to go left to get us to the really greenhouse. So let's do that. Yeah, okay. Can't see around those shrubs. Okay, here we go. Really greenhouse is going to be on the right. I might need to come at it from the other angle though. Yeah, I'll come at it from the other angle. Did not pick it up probably. horse farm on the right, and Regina Hospital on the left. We'll do a loop around the hospital and then come back at the really greenhouse from the other angle. Not seeing any community gardens in this empty lot over here like there's been in the years past. I wonder if they're planning on building something. Cornfield in the middle of town, still doing well. Senior housing still doing well. A lot of the daylilies around here are still in bloom too. Alright, I think if I go this way I'll get a better shot of that landmark, the really green house. Left here. You're gonna see it on the left here, and as I turn left it'll come into full view. Behold the really green house. There we are. And the really blue house, really sky blue house. All right, now let's loop back. Try to get by that other landmark, the dome house. That's a nice stop. Great stop there you just made. All right, here we go. River Street. A gentleman needed to take an extra long time stopping because he has a boat in the passenger seat. You don't see that every day. Here's Pine again. Probably get another glimpse of the half-burnt down mansion. That mansion is a historical property too. It used to be a hospital in town and everything. It's a shame that it got burnt down. I think it wound up selling for about $100,000 as a rehab project, but not seeing much rehab yet. All right, and we're clear. We're heading down the hill to downtown. To the left will be the lock and dam. Here we are on 2nd Street downtown. When they do the old car shows through here, it is just amazing. El Mexican on the left, one of the best Mexican restaurants around. Up here on the right is one of the coolest little kids' playground. It's got a play set shaped like a big old train. Another excellent stop. There's the train engine. Over here on the left is our beautiful, prestigious wastewater treatment plant. And I'm looking for the next landmark down here. Oh, I think I may have turned one too early to get a good view, but here is the Dome House on the right. It's a geodesic dome, I believe. Pretty cool. I'll try coming at it from another angle. Up here on the right, this stone building is one of the oldest buildings in the state. I seem to remember reading it was a steam engine factory for a while. We'll flip a Yui right here. And with the turning radius of this Nissan Frontier, Yuis become 3-point turns. There it is again, the Dome House. Now we're going under the lift bridge, and in the background is the new 61 bridge. And it looks like there might be time. I think I'll swing us by Carpenter Nature Center. I can pick up North 61 right here. There's the old courthouse. Very old building. It's now, I believe, City Hall. But that was the original courthouse for the area. Here we go. Check out the bridge. That's the first bridge I've ever bicycled across the Mississippi. Got a nice bike trail over here that connects Hastings and Prescott. It's good stuff. Here's the hill that used to kill my old F-150 when it was on its last legs. That thing would misfire on this hill almost every time. The 5.4 liter Triton engine was not a thing of beauty. are coming up to Highway 10. This is the highway that'll go to Prescott. You've got a gap. Gas is still $3.68 here in town, which is a lot cheaper than elsewhere. I think I gassed up for $4.50 in Missouri 2 days ago. This is the shortcut back way into Carpenter Nature Center. It will save you a headache of a left turn later. The house ahead is new. I think they were building it during the pandemic. When we moved, I sold a lady who lived over here our old greenhouse. It was during the height of the pandemic, I guess, and she had the money on an envelope clothesline clip to the front door, or to the storm door. Roll in neutral for a little while to save gas here. There's some really nice farmettes over here. This little drive, this was a kind of staple drive, a drive we did all the time during the height of the pandemic in 2020. And about sometimes the only thing you could do to get out of the house was to go for a drive. And so we would come over here a lot and walk. Carpenter Nature Center is where we're heading. It is just the best place for a walk, especially in the fall. It's on the bluffs of the St. Croix River. It's got an orchard with first-rate apples. It is good stuff. When I get there, I'll get out and go for a little stroll, so that'll be the end of this video. But thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Here we are coming up on Carpenter Nature Center now. I'll probably park at the orchard. Scratch that. I'm gonna park in the shade. All right, here we are. Nice shady parking spot. All right, thanks for watching. This has been a drive around beautiful Hastings, Minnesota.